Hi guys, it's Bookers here again, and in today's tutorial video is about the mining app I've been talking about since. And this mining app is an app that you can just mine and make money from it. And this app is free. You don't need to pay anyone. As you mine, you make money and you sell. This is not about those apps that you can't see where you can sell it, like PI and other coin. This mining app, you can mine and you sell it on an exchange where it is listed. And this mining app, you get a reward as ETH, BTC and XYO. So let's get to the video. Right here guys, so right now I'm heading to download the app I told you about for mining, and this link I'm using, I'm going to drop it in the description. So click on the link and register with it. Make sure you register with that particular link. Okay, so once you click the link, it will either take you to Galaxy Store, App Store or Play Store. So once you come here, you first of all you download the app. The app name is called Coin. Okay, and you can see it says always be earning, and in this coin you earn always. So right now we wait for the app to download. After downloading the app, you open the app. Okay, once the app opens, it will tell you congrats, you have just downloaded the most powerful app for earning anywhere you go in the world. Please review this short tutorial to learn about the app features before getting started. Okay guys, we are going to pause here. Now, you know, in anything I share, I like to get real information, and I would like to have the full details about how the thing work and whether there is any side effect or any deficiency that may come out of it later. So right now I have did my research, and I'm also going to share some research that I did about this. So right here, this is Cointelegraph, and Cointelegraph published this article 1 year ago. I've been hearing about this. I've been mining this coin for past months, though I saw this coin last year then, but I didn't take it serious. But I became serious after some months ago. They have groups on Facebook. You can go on in your Facebook, search for coin group, XYO group. You will find their group, and you will know that these people are legit. Many people have been mining this for a very long time. You can see here that this was published a year ago on Cointelegraph. Okay, so right here I'm going to read some of the articles here, and let's just get from few information about it. Now here this, it says the XYO network let anyone turn their cell phone into an edge node with a proof of origin chain and born witness technology using their partner app Coin. With Coin, user can geomine to earn crypto rewards. So what is this talking about? Is geomining. So you mine using your location. So, and how this thing works is that if you are in a location where people have been mining before, you might have some little difficulties in mining this coin. But if your location, no one has been mining in your location, you can be mining from there. Now, with Coin, user can geomine to earn crypto rewards in exchange for participating in XYO decentralized network of devices. Okay, XYO described geomining as the act of exploring and discovering digital items or assets from a real physical space while sharing relevant locations, data, and interactions with other geominers. In order to earn cryptocurrency, geominers will have to geomine enough in app coin tokens and then redeem them for XYO tokens or other cryptocurrency. As we proceed ahead in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how many different types of coin you can receive for mining in this coin app. You can receive XYO coin, and XYO coin is listed on Coinbase. It's also listed on crypto.com. It's also listed on other many exchanges. If you type XYO on CoinMarketCap, you are going to see many exchanges that have listed XYO, and you can also earn a reward as ETH. As we go further, I will show you more of the coin that you will have. So let's read further about the token before we now go deep into the tutorial. Token serve as utility token for XYO. Utility XYO goal is to grow their location-based data network that can provide and verify information about the physical world for blockchain, smart contract, as well as other off-chain businesses. For example, companies could use XYO network to determine relevant traffic to their competitor storefront, location-based sentiment on social political issues, or even whether a real-world interaction occur between two devices. Coin user provide the data necessary to answer this type of question, and get reward for doing that. So why I came here to read this is because our people can be so skeptical. I came here to read this thing just to tell you the reason why you will be needing your location on if you are mining this coin. Why is because they need locations of people. They want to know where decentralized people, where Web3 people are staying, how many Web people has believed in blockchain. So as they get this information, they are going to use this data to share to other companies like exchanges, like coins companies who will be needing tag. Like say if for example, if you are a digital marketer, you know that sometimes you want to target for ads. You target different locations. With this coin app will supply. For example, if I'm a digital marketer, I want to run ads for crypto tutorial, okay, and I want to target some certain places. I will come to coin company, this XYO company, to tell them to give me relevant data of crypto lovers, and they can tell me that okay, here in Dubai, this area in Dubai, there are a lot of crypto users there. Set your ads to run on that direction so that you can be able to get people that will come for your tutorial. So this is the main aim for coin app, and that's why they will be needing your location as you mine. Let's go ahead. Okay, then you click on continue, you click on next, then whoa, you used a special link when downloading coin. To get on, you can see that this my link is a special link, and you will get 1,000 plus if you roll for new account only. Collect. Now for this, you will be needing your email. I will put in my email. Okay, then I will put my name. You have to fill this form. Okay, then you put your email again, then you enter password, then you click done. User agreement. By pressing continue, you are agreeing to the terms and conditions. You click continue, then you done. You can save or never. You can save, not now. Okay, then enable your location. You have to enable your location to be able to get this. So you can put it on while using the app. Anytime you are using the app, can you see that I got 1,000 coin for using this link? If you are not going to use this link, I'm going to drop in the description box. You are not going to get 1,000. Oh, this is a special link. Use it and get 1,000 coin. Now as you get 1,000 coin, as you get 1,000 reward, you click on this. This is the mining. As you click on this, you receive, you keep receiving. You can see it will now load up to this and increase it. Sounds good. This is how it is. Once you have this app on your phone, every day, daily, it will keep mining. This is sharing my location right now, and as it is sharing my location, I am earning. As it's sharing my location, I am earning. You can just click here, collect, see, you collect. Anytime you can, there are many things you can do. Now let's go to, if I still want to collect more, there are many other things that you can do, but let's not go further to that. So once you download this app, you can be able to explore it. As it is right now, I am mining. Even if I put my phone in my pocket, I am mining. Then if you want to be mining at least 500 or 1000 of these daily, what do you do? If you are a driver or if you are someone that travels a lot, as because this thing works with locations, as you are traveling, it is mining for you. As you are riding your car, it is mining for you. As you ride, it mines. Now for me to get this reward, I can click here. Once you click here, now this is where everybody need to listen. XYO, get XYO ERC20 token currently at 100.02 XYO per coin. Now for you to get for you to redeem this your reward, you have to have 10,000 coin. 10,000 coin, you will get 102 XYO. XYO is a token. It's listed. You can take it on CoinMarketCap, though the price is still low. I think this thing, this XYO, you will check it and you will see how much price you get. Then the next thing here is Bitcoin. If you want to get 0.025 Bitcoin, you get 851,301 coin. That is this one. If you mine, travel a lot and get up to this amount, you get 0.025 Bitcoin. You all know how much this is in dollar. Now the next, if you want to get 1 ETH coin, you have to have this coin. You have to mine till 2.5 million 400 coin. If you get 2.5 million 400 coin, you will get 1 ETH. Okay, so how do you earn? You earn So how do you earn? You earn by the way you travel. So as you travel, you earn. You can do a lot of things. You can this from here. There are some. If you want to get this every day, there are reward tags, bonus drop, holder reward, referral reward, background reward, extension devices, or premium plan. They still get premium plan. If you want to be earning more, you can subscribe. This thing has lasted for years and is still working, decentralized. So you can come here and perform tasks. If you perform tasks here, you get reward. There are still, if you perform tasks, you get reward. Depending on the task you perform, you get your reward. Okay, if you click here, so the more you perform different tasks, the more you reward, and the more this app is in your phone. As you walk around, you gain your reward. As you walk around, you gain your reward. Now in so anytime you want to mine, you just click here, you mine. You click this hammer, it means mining. Once you click, you mine. You click, you mine. You can go anywhere you want, come back, you just come here and click. As this app is in your phone, your location is on, your data is on, it keep mining, and your this thing keep growing. Okay, and your money keep growing anytime, any day. If you want to get more rewards, you can just click here. There are many rewards you can get here. The more you are on this app, the more. There are sometimes if you come, you just see one box, you click out, it will give you like 300 coin. As you mine, you get, as you click, you get reward. If you're a person that travel a lot, you get more reward. So this is it about coin mining app. You can use it and grow your portfolio. I know it will not be enough money, but if you are traveling a lot, this will be a lot for you. Because one thing is that if you travel, you don't make money. Okay, then when you see where you will travel and make money, even if it is $1, make it and put it somewhere. It is money, because you are not doing anything, you are not working, you are just giving some information, which is just your location, and no one can track you because of this. You can go back on Cointelegraph and read about those articles very well. So thank you guys for watching my video. I remain NS Bookers, and see you on the next one.